a reference architecture diagram without relying on traditional design tools, using only Python and the diagram as the code package. Prerequisites: Python, pip, graph.viz, diagrams package, I'm going to draw a diagram for typical AWS serverless microservice architecture that uses AWS Lambda and managed services. It would include CloudFront, S3, API Gateway, Lambda, Aurora, DynamoDB. So from diagrams, import diagram and cluster. From diagrams, AWS network, import CloudFront. From storage, import S3. From mobile, import gateway. From Lambda, import from compute, import Lambda. From databases, import Aurora. And DynamoDB. Give it a name. Put 3 labels. UI, compute, data store. Under UI, put a label CloudFront. Put a label S3. Put a note with label under compute API Gateway. Put a node with the label Lambda. Put in under data storage, put a name, put a label Aurora. Next, let's put some errors. CloudFront connect with S3. CloudFront connect with the API gateway. API gateway connect with the Lambda. Lambda connect with the Aurora. And Lambda connect with DynamoDB. Now let's execute it. Python diagram. Now let's check. We have CloudFront node under UI. It talks to S3. CloudFront also talks to API gateway and Lambda under compute. And data storage cluster it has a Aurora and DynamoDB. And we have a name for our diagram, microservice.